How to split a cell into rows in Excel. Do you have several values in one Excel cell and want to place each value in a separate row? In this video, we'll show you 2 built-in Excel methods and 2 faster options in Kutools for Excel. Method 1. Use TEXTSPLIT and Transpose in Excel 365. For Microsoft 365 users, a formula is one of the quickest ways to split a cell into rows. Select an empty cell and enter. TEXTSPLIT separates the content in cell A2 wherever it finds a comma. Transpose changes the horizontal results into a vertical list, placing each item in a separate row. Then press enter. Method 2. Use text to columns and transpose. For Excel versions that do not support TEXTSPLIT, you can use text to columns. Select the cell or cells you want to split. Go to Data. Select Text to Columns. Choose Delimited. Click Next. Select the separator used in the cell. For this example, choose comma. Click Finish. Excel separates the values across different columns. Next, select the split results and press Ctrl and C. Choose an empty cell, right-click, and select Paste Special. Select Transpose. The values are now arranged vertically in separate rows. Method 3. Split cells directly into rows with Kutools for Excel. Select the cell or range containing the combined values. Go to Kutools. Click Merge and Split. Select Split Cells. Next, select Split to Rows. Specify how the values are separated, comma, for this example, select comma. Click OK, and then select a destination cell. Kutools places each value in a separate row immediately.